Hi kids, I hope the first session was really informative and something new about entrepreneurship and about startups. I am trying to give my best in order to make sure you like the subject and you love being an entrepreneur. So I hope you have or had fun in the first session. This video is regarding an activity that you have to do in today's week, in this week by the coming Saturday. So apart from the thing that I've given you, that you have to figure out the problems that you want to work upon, at least 15 problems is what you have to write in the problem journal. आपको क्या करना है, आपको इस वीक में एटलीस्ट 5 ऐसे स्टार्टअप्स ढूंढने हैं जिसके ऊपर आपको काम करना है या जो आपको इंटरेस्टिंग लगते हैं. सो आपको 5 new startups, not very common startups that is Swiggy, Zomato. No, I don't want really common startups. मुझे 5 नए startups चाहिए from your end that you will research and list down 5 new startups. List them down, research which industry interests you, something that interests you, and make a list of the same before the next class. Why? Because you will be working on them as well along with your own startup. So this is where every week, whatever you will be learning, you will be also researching on that particular startup that you choose by this Saturday. So make sure you create a list of all the startup जो आपके इंटरेस्ट एरिया में हो. नॉट अबाउट वेरी कॉमन स्टार्टअप्स दैट आर स्विगी, जोमेटो, ओला, उबर, उन सबको मत लेना. टेक न्यू स्टार्टअप, ट्राई गेटिंग एज मेनी न्यू स्टार्टअप्स एज पॉसिबल. 5 ऐसे स्टार्टअप्स की लिस्ट बनानी है जो आपको इंटरेस्टिंग लगते हैं या उसकी इंडस्ट्री आपको इंटरेस्टिंग लगती है. मे बी from communication or HR oriented, you can choose Slack. In finance, you can choose Zerodha. There is this social startup called as Go Social. तो ऐसे नए स्टार्टअप्स आपको ढूंढने हैं जो आपको इंडस्ट्री, आपकी जो मनपसंद इंडस्ट्री है उसमें से हो. सो व्हाट यू विल डू इज, आप पहले 4-5 इंडस्ट्री लिखोगे जो आपके इंटरेस्ट में है, जैसे फाइनेंस हो गया, टेक्नोलॉजी हो गया, ऑटोमोबाइल हो गया, फूड हो गया, एजुकेशन हो गया. एंड देन फाइंड यूनिक स्टार्टअप्स इन दोज पर्टिकुलर एरिया, उनके ऊपर रीड करो और आपको जो पसंद है, कोई भी 5 स्टार्टअप्स जो आपको पसंद है उसमें से उसकी एक लिस्ट बनाओ. मेक श्योर you get that list by the coming Saturday, that is the next class, and also the list of 15 problems that you have to figure out. At least 15, 100, 50, 75, 25, 22, 24, any is fine, but I want at least 15 problems. Those are good and silly, and those can be one of which you can work on throughout the whole course. So one is a problem journal and second is a list of 5, at least 5. आप ज़्यादा भी बना सकते हो. I am not restricting it to only 5. You can make it more, but at least 5 different startups of your interest, आपके interest के 5 startups की list and problems की list. That is what is the work for this week. I'll see you on Saturday, and we have also shared a feedback form with you. Make sure you fill that. If you have any questions, you can ask in that, and that is because I get to know what are the changes that we can do in our online sessions. Offline sessions, so we ideally do, but online session is something which we have started during lockdown. So I would really want that you give us a feedback on how did you like the session and what can be few changes that we can do in the online session. Also, you can like our Facebook and Instagram pages to stay updated upon it. Thank you so much.